Wondering why Nexus 2 is playing hard to get in FL Studio? Let's fix that together. First, make sure you bought Nexus 2 from the official site. Pirate ships are for movies, not music. Next, grab the Steinberg eLicenser Control Center from Steinberg's website, install it, and plug in your USB eLicenser. Check the app and confirm your Nexus 2 license is shining bright. Now, open the ReFX Cloud app from your ReFX account and install Nexus 2. Pay attention to where Nexus 2.dll lands. On Windows, it's usually in Program Files VST Plugins. On Mac, check Library. Audio, Plugins. Ready for FL Studio? Go to Options, then Manage Plugins. Add your Nexus VST folder path and hit Find Installed Plugins. Nexus 2 should now appear, ready to rock your tracks. If it's still hiding, restart FL Studio, recheck your eLicenser, and make sure you picked the right VST version. Sometimes all it needs is a gentle nudge, or a restart. Congrats! You've just won the Plugin Hide and Seek Championship.